Hello everyone, welcome back to my channel. It's Elle. I truly do hope everyone is doing well today. I hope everyone is feeling blessed, loved, safe, secure, and protected. So Mother's Day is approaching and I wanted to just give everyone a great big happy Mother's Day to all of you moms and grandmas and aunties out there and foster moms. Gonna do a bit of a dining room makeover and a little bit of Mother's Day gifts that you can pick up from Ross really quickly. I got a little bit of spruced up for Mom's Day. I'm looking forward to going out to dinner and even just lounging on my patio. But what I was noticing when I was getting ready is that I have a little bit of mask acne from wearing the mask during this pandemic so much. My skin is not able to breathe, and I am not a person that wears a lot of makeup. When you see me on here, I just have on a little bit of eyeshadow, some lashes, of course, some eyeliner and some lip gloss, and that's the extent of my makeup. I do not know how to do any kind of concealers and contouring. That's just not for me. I don't know how to do it, but if you know how to do it, give me some tips. But for right now, I partnered with a company called Merit, and Merit, they are a minimalist beauty company, luxury beauty company that sent me over a few of their products. Actually, they sent me over their whole product line. The products are really good, and you can see them here, how lovely they are. It sent me over a complexion stick, and I'm going to use this to cover all of my mask acne that I like to, when these pimples come on, I'm a squeezer. I gotta pop them, and I usually don't get pimples because my skin is dry instead of oily, but this mask stuff is just making me break out, and I can't seem to leave my skin alone. So I'm gonna go ahead and pop some of their products on. You can see there's some lip oil here. How beautiful are the packaging. Presentation is everything. Merit is a cruelty, animal-free company. They do not test their products on any animals. They're very minimal with their products. I feel like I have nothing on here, nothing. So I'm gonna go ahead and show you guys these gifts. When I come back, I'll be all dolled up, looking cute and looking fly. Let's jump into the products from Ross. This is a Dolce & Gabbana garden set that I picked up from Ross for $70 for Mother's Day, and I will be giving this as a gift to my auntie. Okay, let's open this up. Look at this. How pretty is this? So it comes with a body lotion, a little spray for in your purse, and then you have your pretty little dispenser here, perfume dispenser bottle. How pretty is that? Also have this Daisy Marc Jacobs, and this one was $50 from Ross. Yes, Ross is lit with the perfume, people. Look at the big bottles of perfume that Ross has in their store for Mom's Day, for a birthday, for just because day, fellas, just because you're beautiful, just because I want you to smell good, just because. Yes, look at that, Marc Jacobs, baby. This is like one of my favorite perfumes, and I'll be giving this away as well. So I'm gonna go ahead and show you my dining room makeover, and then I'll be back again to say goodbye. So for this makeover, I started off with a blank space, no rug, just the curtains and the light fixture. So I'm going to begin. This rug was from Ross for $49.99, 5x8. This bench was from HomeGoods for $159. It's a DKNY bench, 3-seater, very comfy. I thrifted this table from Salvation Army for $50. It's real wood, very heavy and sturdy, and it also extends. Then I added these 2 large vessels, and they were from HomeGoods. The large is for $79.99 and the small is for $49.99. Now let's go ahead and add some wall art. I got these African baskets from Home Goods. The large is $29.99 and the small was $19.99. I'm gonna go ahead and add the 4 chairs that I bought for this space to accommodate the round table. I thought a round table would be perfect for this space. However, I do not want it to feel cumbersome. And if I keep 4 chairs, I will go ahead and remove the large vessels in the corner. So now it's time to add the table decor, which I'm going to start with this glass vessel. It's amber tone for $14.99 from Home Goods. It balances out the heavier pieces and the darker woods. It's a really lovely piece, and I think it's going to really make the table pop. Now I wanted this area to be a lounge area, so this is the partial final look of everything. Now these pieces are interchangeable. Later on I can use these chairs for accent chairs, and I wanted everyone to be comfortable. My family seems to be growing all the time, so I definitely wanted a place for everyone to sit. And I did a kitchen makeover recently on my channel, and I just wanted to show you how the dining room and the kitchen flowed so well together and the color scheme. So yes, I did end up removing those vessels for now, but like I said, things come and go in here, but all of the pieces are able to use, and you function really well between the flow of the living room, kitchen, and dining room area. As these pieces are interchangeable, I placed some pillows on the bench to see if I can create a banquette area, and I think it looks pretty nice. And then I also added some pillows to the chairs just to see how it will look. Okay guys, so that's it for me. I hope you guys enjoyed this video. I hope you guys enjoy Mother's Day. I went ahead and put on just a little bit more of the glam, and I'm thankful to Merit for, sponsoring this video and making me feel lovely, especially for Mother's Day. I really do hope you enjoyed the makeover. Thanks a lot for watching, and I'll see you soon.